I will do a 3D modeling with this drawing. So I already model like this: top view, front view, right view, isometric view. Okay, let's do it. First, we need to draw a rectangle 110 across and 90 high. Mastercam, move to the Mastercam and draw a rectangle. (110) wide, 90 high. As we need offset 20, 32, 26, 22. Offset 20, 32, 26. Oops. Delete. Once again, 26, 22. Draw a center line. Offset once again. 30. So we need a circle here and square with a 4 3R. Draw a circle, diameter 25. Enter. Rectangle form, and in the middle 14, radius 3. Shapes here. Done. And we need a tangent arc penetrating this point, and radius 60. So tangent arc, radius 60. Select this line and this point, and select this arc and trim two entities. Select this one, Ctrl Z. Once again, yeah, it's done. Isometric view and extrude 10. Okay, and revolve these entities. Geometry. Select this. Enter. And select the axis. So not here, opposite side. So directions, toggle direction, and add both. Okay. And we don't need these lines. Make them blank. And top view and wireframe. So check the dimension. 22. I need a point here to make a shape here. Delete. Point and select this point. I change the form of points, square. Okay. Once again, apply to existing entities. Okay. Yes, it's done. Isometric view. Shift here and select this position and radius 10 and half. So from this axis it is the 180 degree. So it's done. Okay. As our mirror, make it visible. So our mirror, this one, from this axis. So wireframe once again. Mirror, select, enter, select line. Yeah, it's done. Top view. So I will make a slot. I will sketch two slots here, small one, bigger one. So 26 plus 40 and height 40, and the form is of round, and I will put here and offset once again 26. So I will move to this of round slot to this position. So dynamic, enter, select this point and move to enter. So I don't need this one. And another slot, 26 plus 12 and 12, and position here. Okay, good. So I don't need this line, make them blank. Alright. The front view. The front view. And so I will sketch this line to make this form, and together with this polar arc, and this the cut away solid of this part. And this offset 10 and 37 and 45 from this point. So I will use this line, wireframe, make it visible. So I need to extract the lines from this solid. So select boundary, or you can select boundary here, and I need only paste, so make it off. Select these two faces, enter, enter, okay, and lines are generate, as I need only this, so Alt E, and draw a line here, so offset 10, 10, 27, and 35, and draw a line, so delete unnecessary geometries, delete, and fillet, radius 15, the fillet at 15. I will extend this part, this line, and a little bit like this, okay. So I will draw polar arc with radius 80. So the center is located in this axis. So change the plane, right plane, Alt E, and wireframe view, and the polar arc, and press the shift, then I will position here, the center point, 0, 80, enter, radius 80, and this point and this point, enter. So I don't need this blank. This one must be located here, so I will move its position here. Okay, done. So make a sweep surface, select this line first, enter, this line, enter, yes, surface, generate, make it visible, enter, so make it blank, wireframe. So I will make a surface solid, extrude solid, extrude the surface with these entities, and select extrude surface, yes, okay, and height is approximately 30, and yes, it is drafted with 12 angles. Yes, it's done. Okay, make it visible. So only select surfaces and Alt E. So I don't need this face. Delete. This lower part of this surface, I don't need it. So I will cut away, cut it off by using this surface. So option is trim surfaces to surface. Select and select the first set and enter and second. And options are here. Vertically cut and select to be trimmed. And select as the remaining part. So you wanted to keep this part. So select this. Yes, it's done. Once again, I need to cut away this part, but it is too. You cannot, with this condition, you cannot cut. So you can extend this line, this side, but there is just some way. And first, select this surface and select this surface. And option here. So from this surface, the Mastercam generate some the line from this surface. Okay. Then select trim the part and the remaining part. Yes, it's done. So Alt E. So with these surfaces, I will remove this part. But with this surface, we cannot cut this part. So this surface must be get together, combined into one solid. So I will make a sheet solid and select first surface only and Alt E, and once again select all this. And the tolerance is quite important. So if you reduce some value, there might be something wrong in the later stages. So my recommendations are 0.05 is good enough, 1500. And the options make it blank. If there is something wrong, so you need to use this surface once again later. So my recommendation, please, the option make blank and OK. So this surface become one solid sheet. Alt E. So I will cut away this part by using this solid sheet. So options are here. Solid trim to surface. Select this option and first select solid and enter and solid sheet, and automatically this part cut away. Okay, I don't need this anymore and blank. And this one must be done as well. So I will make a loft solid and wireframe and top view. And this one must be located 7mm high. Okay, so I will project this one to that position. Isometric view and project Shift and 7. Okay. So in order to make a proportional loft, and the starting point must be same, but the one is just one entity, so it is quite difficult to find the starting point. So I will make it, I will divide this circle into 4. So there is option here, break circles, select circle, and the number of arcs is 4. And so you can, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Also, this one also need to be cut, because you know this the starting point here. So starting point here, it is not aligned. It is not proportional. So I will cut into 2 pieces. So this option, break 2 pieces, and select and the middle, and select the lines and enter. Okay. So make a loft, and starting point here and here. Okay. Yes, it's done. Create body, and I don't need these entities. Make it blank. And also let's check the, and these slots are located 20 millimeter high. So I will project as well to the position. So project, enter, and 20. It's done. And the solid cut, enter, opposite position, and there is some angle here, drafted 15 of each side. So draft 15. Yes, you can change the direction like this. So in this case, so levers checked. Okay, done. Let's check solid cut. Okay. Anyway, so I don't need this. Make it blank, and so boolean wireframe. So boolean, first select, then select, and remove. Yes. Okay. And this one is not combined. So in the case you have a certain issue when you do a filleting. So it must be one solid set. So boolean, once again, select main, and this one, this one, this one, and add. It's almost done. And finally do a fillet. So my recommendation, there is a certain option like this. So switch it off and leave it alone, and edge option, select, and 20, 10. Yes, great. And so all the fillet, the R value is 2 apart from this side. So this one is the radius one. So let's do it. And just select this pot and this pot, this pot, and there's a tangent options. Automatically, some tangent pot is the fillet. Okay, and this side and this side. Okay, and value is too big, so that's why it's warning. So make it 2. Yes, it's done. And this pot needs to be fillet as well. And this pot, if you select, there might be something wrong. Let's try. Yes, it's done. It's done. Value 2, no problem. Okay, it seems good. And the last one is this, the radius one in fillet. Okay, and select only one. Yes, there is something wrong. In that case, we need to check one by one. Do it once again, one by one. I hope Mastercam improve the fillet option. So I checked the latest version 22. It has the same problem as well. So it's quite clumsy. Anyway, select one by one. Yes, here. Done. Yes, finally it's done. And value is 1. Okay, it's done. And top view, front view, right view, isometric view. Okay, it's done. The colors need to be changed. Model preparation and modify the solid color and remove the color. Okay, it's done. Yes, the baby start crying. I don't know the reason why. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you soon. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.